Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to a review. Today we're doing a review on the final one of the British Virgin Islands ship coins. Now there's the pouch with it in, and these are the 6 so far. You've got the Golden Hind, you've got the Santa Maria, you've got the HMS Astria, RMS Rhone and HMS Nymph. The final one of the 6 is HMS Formidable. HMS Formidable was a 98 gun man of war under the command of the Royal Navy. In 1782 the ship participated in the Battle of the Santines, an important naval battle in the Caribbean between the British and the French during the American Revolutionary War. Her most important action was breaking of the French line in the middle of the battle. After the battle she headed for Port Royal in Jamaica, delivering the news of their salvation on her arrival on the 29th of April 1782. So, let's take a look at the coin. Let's just put the folder out of the way for a minute. This is the coin, and let's go in. Around the top here you've got the British Virgin Islands, you have the GC portrait, let's get that off there, and you have, whoops, Queen Elizabeth and the date of 2022. So you got 2022 Queen Elizabeth, and then you have the British Virgin Islands there. Right, sorry, the British Virgin Islands there, Queen Elizabeth, and then the date of 2022 there, and JC underneath the portrait. And this is the coin. It shows a 3-masted ship on the sea with the name underneath of the ship underneath. So you've got the $1 valuation, you've got the 3-masted ship on the sea. It shows you there the gun portals and the name of the ship, which is HMS Formidable. This is probably, if you take a look at the rest of the set, this ship takes up probably more of the coin than any of the other ships. It is a huge ship in comparison to the rest of them. I do like this coin. It's got a lot of detail in it. You have 3 masts and you have the 4-mast right at the front. You have some sort of, at the front there you have like a head or a, what they used to call a head, which used to be a, like a wooden statuette of either a lady or some other form of god or goddess. And then you got right at the bottom HMS Formidable. This is a very nice coin, and probably of the 6 it's the one that takes up the most room. And what I'll do is, he says, try not to drop them all. And this is the full 6 coins. The first one is the Golden Hind. The second coin is the Santa Maria. The third coin in the series, oops, let's just get that in a bit more, is HMS Astria. The fourth coin in the series is HMS Rhone. The penultimate one in the series is HMS Nymph. And the final one of the series, which is the one that we've seen today, is HMS Formidable. So those are the 6 coins that make up this series. I don't know when the new whether a new set will be made this year or not. But that's the 6 coin set completed. I'm very glad that I've got all 6 of these coins, and I'm very happy to have the full set in my collection. So there we go. It's taken 6 months to complete this series, and I'm very happy to have done so. I believe now, I have just been on Pobjoy's site not so this week, and they are doing all 6 with the folder for around about £55, I think, for the full set of 6. But you'll need to go and look at their site because it was on offer, as I predicted it would be. So that's the coin set. I'm very happy to have completed it. I like all of these coins. They're shown to be very good quality, and I'm very happy with them. So from this ship set, what I'll say to you is, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins like I have done here, I hope you can find the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I am trying to grow my channel this year, so if you've enjoyed this video, would you please give me a thumbs up? It doesn't take you a couple of seconds of your time. And also, if you are one of the 30% who view my videos on a regular basis but are not yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so, as I'm trying to grow and get to 100 before Christmas, 100 subscribers. I'm sort of about 78, 79 subscribers at the moment as I record this video. So if you can help me out, I would be very grateful, because it will then allow the algorithm at YouTube to put me in front of people who've not seen my videos before, and hopefully I can grow the channel more that way, organically, so to speak. Thank you for staying around and listening to this review of this set, and until we meet up again next time, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future. I do 4 different videos a week, so hopefully you can find something that you'd be interested in watching. And until then, from me, ta-ra now, bye bye, ta-ra.